So I tore down my Fargo the other day, took all the cables off, basically down to wheels, frame, crank, and handlebars. And I got it figured out kinda, so I can run it single speed. Right here, you can see I got the chain on. I don't have enough spacers. So what I'm gonna try to do is some real backwoods engineering. And I'm gonna cut up an old cassette and take the center out of that and see if I can use part of that for a spacer. So the chain itself is a little slack, but you can see there, but it turns really good, and I don't think it's gonna drop. But for right now, just to kind of see how it feels to have the Fargo single speed, I feel like that is going to work, and I'm not going to go take it on some huge, long, stupid adventure or anything like that. So here is the old cassette that I'm going to chop up. What I'm going to try to do is drill out these, I don't know if they're rivets or what they are, welds or something. Drill those out just so that I can get to the center part here and cut these down or grind them down, and just use the center part here as a spacer. Got the first ring off, second ring off. So after about 4 hours of grinding, that's what I got. Looks okay. Also, I had to grind down a couple other gears that were completely shot, and use those. But I think pretty soon I will have that put together. There we go. That's the finished product. It's not the prettiest thing, but it should work. And here's my MacGyver inspired rear spacer situation. It's working really good. That was just stuff in my garage that I just kind of made it work. I like to do that. So let's take it for a ride. I can't even explain how much fun it is to be on a single speed. You don't have to think about shifting. You don't have to think about anything. You just have to pedal. And if you can't make it to the top of the hill, you gotta walk. But I'm running a 3917. Thing is, you wanna have a gear that you can still climb in, but something you can still get up some decent speed with too. And this seems to be working out pretty good. I'm getting a little bit of noise from the chain, which with it being so loose, you kind of got to expect that. I might have to pick up a chain tensioner, even though that's probably not going to look as nice. The chain tensioner will take care of that slack. But when it's all said and done, just for using parts that I had in the garage, not spending any money, and making this thing work, I'm pretty proud of it. It's light, it's nimble, it makes you feel like you're definitely in tune with the bike and the landscape around you. You have to plan ahead for hills, you have to plan ahead for all kinds of stuff like that. So after riding the bike a little bit, I think I'm going to change the stem and bring the handlebars back towards me a little bit. The hoods that I put on are not as comfortable as the SRAM hoods that I had on before, and I used to have a lot of weight on my hands. Bringing the handlebars back will take some weight off my hands, balance me out a little bit better, and make the bike feel even more responsive. You ever remember digging through your Legos trying to find that one piece? So I found the part I needed, which was this front part, and now you can see it's shorter by quite a bit. This was a 100mm stem. This one doesn't have a marking on it for how long it is, but it's about a little bit less than half as long, so it brings the handlebars back and it feels pretty good. So if you found this at all entertaining or funny or whatever, informative, probably more funny, click the subscribe button over here, and here's some more videos that you can check out. Thanks for watching.